All you need to do is to provide us with a floor plan, and we can provide you with furniture matching solutions and renderings. Interested? No matter it's a hotel project in Dubai, a luxury apartment in the United States, or a large flat in Australia, we've got you covered. We have worked for high-end 5-star hotels and high-end furniture brands in Europe and America. We use environmentally friendly materials and have a professional photography and design team ready to serve you. Most importantly, if you want to buy furniture in bulk from China, feel free to contact us and we will support you. On the occasion of 3/15 International Consumer Rights Day, as our customer, we promise to continue to protect your rights and interests, provide quality products and services to meet your needs and ensure your satisfaction. Thank you for your support and trust. I'm Susu, 15 years in furniture design and production. Follow me, I will be back.